Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. Picked this up in a charity shop in Thornbury. Sparklz it's called. Cost me £2. Let's see if we can find the opening again. There's a whole series of these. They're all wind up clockwork toys. Well, I say toys, novelties. I will get a bit closer to it in a minute. I'll just show you the book. Are we focused? I've no doubt there's a website for these. That'll be that one, I think. Sparklz. Sparklz thinks it's one of those Greek gods of lightning, but it's still working on the thunder and the rain. It just wobbles around aimlessly with its little rudder, looking for a meaning of life. I won't go through all the rest of that. Right, okay, so closer look at it. That one's just for show. That's the one you wind it up with. It's got wheels, crown gear, pinion gear, clockwork, and then this bit here, I think that's a rough surface. I think it's supposed to do a shower of sparks as it's going along. I think we can see them there. There we go. So if I wind it up, yeah, very effective. Right, I've turned some of the lights off so it'll be a bit darker. Yeah, a novelty. Doesn't like being tethered, but I just wanted to try and get a bit of film of it, because every time I've tried it goes off in a random direction and I can't follow it with the camera. So that's what that was, just trying to get a bit of film of it.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.